which is the color of a black hole and why the answer is not black. Let me explain you this. We need three basic concepts. First one, how we determine the color of an object. Let's say that, for instance, I'm giving you an apple and then I'm asking you which is the color of the apple. What you can do is just looking at the apple, and that's completely fine. But what if now I change the setup? I give you an apple, but I put you in a dark room. You cannot see the apple anymore. So, from this example, we learn that in order to see colors, we need light. In particular, we need light that coming from a light source is bouncing on the surface of the object we want to observe, and it is reaching our eyes. So, first basic idea, you can see the colors through light reflected over an object and reaching your eyes. The color is a property of the light. Now, second basic idea, what is a black hole? A black hole is one of the objects living in our universe. It is massive, it is attracting the surrounding things, and it is special because it's the only object in the universe whose attraction is so strong that even light cannot escape. Therefore, second basic idea, a black hole is something which attracts light and does not reflect anything because everything is eaten in the black hole. So, what will we get if we combine these two basic ideas? If we take a bulb, for instance, and we try to enlight a black hole, what we will obtain is that all the light is eaten and nothing is reflected. Nothing is reaching our eyes. But why I told you that the answer is not black? Why I told you that there is actually a color? Well, because we need the third fact, which is essentially that every object in our world, in our universe, that have a non-zero temperature, a temperature bigger than the absolute zero, at which everything freezes, they emit light in the form of thermal radiation. This thermal radiation is usually a really, really tiny effect, which is completely overwhelmed in the determination of the color by the light emitted by reflection. So it is completely irrelevant in all the cases, but in the case of the black holes, where there is no reflection, and so it is the only kind of light emitted by the black hole. So, in order to answer to our question, the color of the black hole is just the color of the light emitted by the thermal radiation. And which is the color of this light? Well, this light is made by all the possible kind of lights. It's a mixture of lights with all the possible colors. And so, our final answer is that the color of the black hole is actually not black, but the mixture of all the possible colors.